Taking supplements. Throughout the world, a lot of people have problems with their digestive systems that make it hard to absorb nutrients and break down the food they eat. This is a common problem, one that is usually caused by a poor level of acid in the stomach, toxic in the gut, or a lack of producing enzymes that assist with the breaking down process. There are other causes as well, although the above are the most common. Problems with the digestive tract can be improved quite a bit if you slowly increase your intake of nutrients. A diet that is high in organic matter is the preferred way to improve your digestion, although you may need to use supplements as well. The best thing about supplements is the fact that you don't need a prescription. You can select which ones you want on your own, and purchase them at your local nutrition store or online. The ideal time to take supplements is with your meals. During this time, your body can absorb the nutrients better, as your digestive system will be stimulated with food. If you are using time-release supplements, you should take them with food to ensure that they move through your body at the right pace and release the proper amount of nutrients and vitamins your body needs at the right time. Vitamins that are water-soluble are the easiest to use, as they will pass through the body easily and quickly, and should be taken 3 times a day. Vitamins that are fat-soluble are best absorbed if they are taken with food that contains fat. You should always take vitamins with meals, as the minerals and nutrients found in food will work with vitamin supplements. There are some supplements that may interfere with others when you absorb them, so you should always make sure what you are taking is acceptable to take with other forms of vitamin supplements. Below is a list of the most common vitamins and how you should go about taking them. 1. Vitamins A, D, and E. These vitamins should always be taken with meals that contain fat or oil. 2. Vitamin B. You should always take vitamin B supplements as soon as you wake up, to get the maximum benefit. You can also take them during the day with a whole grain meal. 3. Vitamin C. Supplements containing vitamin C should be taken with meals and never on an empty stomach. 4. Iron. Iron supplements should always be taken with food, as they are easy to absorb this way. 5. Multivitamins. You can take multivitamins at any time, although you should always consume a small meal with the supplement. Even though you may be on a healthy diet, you should still make sure that you are getting the proper vitamins and supplements as well. Supplements will help your body get the vitamins and minerals it needs, especially on days that you aren't able to eat what you should. Life can get hectic at times, which is where supplements can really come in handy. If you include supplements in your diet and take them correctly, you'll find that your body will be much healthier. There are many different vitamins and supplements that you can take, although they will depend on what you are trying to achieve. You should always research a vitamin that you are interested in taking and make sure it fits your needs before you decide to purchase it.